Well, we got some blue sky peeking through the clouds. Most of the folks here have already taken off. I've got a little project to do on my bike, as usual. Seems like I can't get out of here without having a project to do on my bike. So I'm going to get this underway. Alright, what the problem I have here is, right here, as you can see, that's not a rock. It's some sort of nail or spike. And it's right on the flat of the tire. So I got to get a stop and go plug and see what we can do about that. That's it right there. It's not even a nail. It's a cotter pin. Unbelievable.
Pull it back out there. Pull the tools a little bit out.
Yeah.
And you cut it off.
That's the little bugger. That's the little bastard. Can you believe that?
Let me. You want to save it?
Let
me see it. I'll just
yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, go find somebody else.
Cotter pin.
Yeah.
You remember losing one?
Not recently.
You may have picked it up at home, may not. It's a perfect good cotter pin if you want to keep it.
Actually, if I need one, I think I'll go get a different one.
Mushrooms need a flat place to fit on. The concept is great.
Well, on the inside of this tire.
That would probably be smooth inside.
Yep. That's what I'm counting on.
You don't, those are the mushroom plugs. Where are your plugs at? Mushroom plugs, man, they take a gun and push in there. No, these aren't mushrooms. How the hell are we going to get them in there? You're not going to get them in there.
Yeah, I am.
Huh?
Yeah, I am.
The ones I had, you had a tube. Press that mushroom, and like a pistol thing, and you shot it, forced it in there.
And that's the hole right there. Alright.
I'm going to have to stay and see now.
Well, considering it's the first time I've ever used one.
It is?
Yep. Pull that emergency brake, would you, Lance?
Yeah, I just did.
Thank you. That goes in there like that.
Oh, okay. Now, okay, yeah.
You pull that out.
Now you got something to shoot that plug in there. Okay, you don't push it in there with that first piece. Now that'll work.
No, sir, you don't. Alright, just pop this down inside there. And what they say is to take the thing down, push it down, just under the surface. Like that. Now, take this little bugger, wind it in until it's all the way down.
Only Eric and Rack.
Yeah. Well, better than never, I guess.
I've got one of those kits and I've never used it.
Apparently neither has Steve. Come on, baby. And there you go. And you're supposed to pull back 2 inches. Seat that baby. And she's seated. Excellent. Excellent.
I hope so, yeah.
Alright.
I'm hoping it's just that they didn't want to be in the rain yesterday. See, Jim?
There you go. It's in place. Alright.
Hey, how's it going?
Great, how are you?
All right. Heard you guys went back to Tulsa.
Yeah, and it was a fun ride back last night.
Yeah, I can imagine.
At least 55, 60 miles of rain. And there was at least 35, 40 miles of heavy rain.
That is no fun at all.
No. We just cruised at 45, 50.
It's coming up slowly. That's the stop and go kit. Runaway Trekker out.